The way that we work with the courts is quite unique, I think, because we are the person who's there as the expert for the child. We're not there to represent the views of the child's parents or the views of the local authority.
My work is totally independent in both private and public proceedings.
Well, I think the FCA is perceived very well by other professionals and by the courts.
When you're a family court advisor or a children's guardian, the judges really do consider you the expert in what's right for the child.
I think we are very influential within the courts.
So we're not writing a lengthy repetition of everything that we've been told by each parent or by each service, and we're not repeating the work that's already been done by the other social workers. We're looking at the situation directly from the point of view of the child and making an analysis of that.
A lot of strength is attached to our view of what the best outcomes would be for children.
We've got to keep it very focused on the child and think about it from that child's perspective in terms of what is that information telling us about that child's experience.
That's what people like the courts want from us. They want our analysis of information, of risk, of safeguarding for children, and the decisions have got to be evidence-based.
We work in conjunction with other agencies.
Social workers and other professionals in public proceedings.
So we're looking at the evidence that's been submitted, trying to find if there are gaps and working out if the plans are in the child's best interests.
And obviously then lots of work with families, with parents, children and extended family members.
In private law, we might be the only professionals working with a child other than the school or the health service, so we always have to make links with those people because they might not be aware of what's happening for that child otherwise. It's a really unique role, being independent and just there to represent the best interests of the child.
What I love about CAFCASS is the variety of work.
No 2 days are the same.
Each case has differences within it, and we can have lots of different applications, whether that's about time that children want to spend or a parent says that they're not seeing one of their children, to where a child should live, to applications around holidays that may be in a dispute of.
But I think what we have obviously got to focus on is what impact does that particular issue have upon the child.
There's a whole variety of different pieces of work that we do. So in a typical day, you might find yourself doing a home visit in the morning, attending a meeting, going to court.
But each day has to be planned in terms of whether that involves telephone calls with the parties, whether that involves following up information requests from a local authority.
You're working with all sorts of different types of people, so you're coming into contact with all kinds of people from all walks of life.
So a lot of it is around safeguarding. So it's very much about assessing risk for different situations for children.